Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be doing a bit of a maintenance video on the 370Z. We're going to be changing rear discs and pads, doing an oil change and oil filter change. And I don't need to do the air filters because I've got K&N air filters and I've recently put them in. Alright, so pads we've got Hagid rear brake pads, and we've also got the same discs. Okay, so we start off by taking out the pins that hold in the pins that hold in the brake pad. And then here we're just taking off the two bolts that hold on the caliper. One is quite awkward to get to and get loose, but eventually it did come loose. And then once them two bolts have been taken out, the caliper will just come off. The disc doesn't come off this easy. I did have to smash it with a hammer to get it moving. Get off. The best thing you can do is get a little sanding pad and just clean up the face of this before you put the new disc on. At this point you can put your new disc on and then put your caliper back on and do everything in reverse that you've already done. Make sure you give all of this a little clean in here. Just get rid of any old brake dust. I also cleaned off the caliper just to remove any brake dust that I could get to with a wire brush before inserting the new pads. Finally finished at 20 past 10, but it's done. Okay, now it's time to change the oil and the oil filter. Fully synthetic 5W30 oil and then the oil filter. And under the car there's about 8 little 10mm bolts just to take the under tray off. That's in completely the wrong place. At this point I've already drained all the oil out and I'm just taking off the oil filter. just using a bit of new oil to put on the seal of the oil filter. I couldn't prime the oil filter purely because of where it is in the car. And I don't know who put this on previously, but I had to get Shane to undo the oil filler for me. And all in all, I put just shy of the full 5 litres in the car. And I'll put the cap back on and then just start the car before checking the oil level, just to make sure that you've got it right.